Today we're going to look at 3 things that small YouTubers or beginner YouTubers should do now. To be a YouTuber, you need to create content, you need to make videos, you need to produce videos. So, small YouTuber, hear me out. Make videos now. Make a YouTube video now. Start recording before you're ready. Now, don't waste or don't spend too much time trying to learn how to be a great YouTuber or a good YouTuber before you start. Start before you're ready. Hit record, upload your video, just as I'm doing right now, and that's all you need. Start messy and start now. Number 2, do not overthink what you're doing at this stage. All you've got to do now is to produce content. So produce it and the rest will fall in place. Number 3, gear does not matter. Don't wait till you get the state-of-the-art equipment before you start. Don't wait till you get the latest camera before you start. Don't wait till you get the perfect setup before you start. Just start and start now. Now I have a video on my channel that is going to show you how to even create or make your very first YouTube video. So you could go and check that video out right after this one. Now, I have a bonus tip for you. The bonus tip today is to make sure you do not waste too much time on editing your videos. As a small YouTuber, your main aim is to produce video and to produce content. Do not waste too much time because the editing is going to take time. That is going to delay you in starting YouTube. Start messy, start now. Don't waste too much time on the edit. Don't overthink what you're doing. Do it and do it now. And don't wait for the latest or the best gear. Do it and do it now. Go out, check out that video appearing on the screen now. If you got value out of this, please leave a like, hit the like button now, and leave a comment. If you have any questions or any suggestions on how we can get small YouTubers starting and hacking the YouTube algorithm, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. Thank you very much for your time. If you want this, watch the video appearing on the screen now, and I will see you in that video right now. See you there.